Welcome back to River Tees. Come out today for a bit of pike fishing. It's Saturday 8th of October. There's been a lot of rain last couple of days. The river was up last night about 2 metres I think it was. Now it's fine down to about 1 metre now, so found a couple of slacks. I'm gonna fish here for a while. I'm gonna fish float fish mackerel, and then I might drop onto Ledged Lamprey a bit further out. Cracking chub. I've been here about an hour and a half pike fishing. I'm just getting a lovely chub on a float fish mackerel. £4, 5 ounces. Nearly pulled the rod off the rod rest. Well, get this pup back, see if I can get a pike.